we are all from the same condition. We leave our parents and come here. We are going to study in foreign. The first thing we entered Georgia, the first thing we felt was a temperature difference. A gang from themselves. So it took us time to join in a particular gang. People like shouting, but it's not. They are not shouting. One thing for introverts, it gets habituated for hugging. We went to many places at the start. We don't did not know any places. She was the one who took us to every place. Yeah, she was crying one day. A lot of language barrier. They don't understand English because we have a separate room to study group.
Hi guys, so I will be taking for a tour in my student room now. Just come with me. Come. Hello. This is Renita. This is Benita. They are twin.
Yeah.
Say this is our Batumi first student. So we'll ask some review from their mouth itself. Okay, please come. So what are you studying? Renita is studying biochem,
Yeah,
right?
biochemistry. I'm
Yeah.
studying about glycolysis and biosynthesis.
Okay, great, good. And
I am also studying biochemistry, but I'm studying about chromatin structure.
great. So good student. Okay, so can I get your 2 minutes of time, please?
Yes.
Yes. So hi girls. So how is life now?
It's actually quite great that I did not expect it to be the college life this much. I had few dreams that my college should be like this, but it's pretty much better. I
Then-
have like a group of friends now to hang out with. It didn't take me much long to make friends because we are all from the same condition. We leave our parents and come here, but then now it's all set for me. At the start, it was like very difficult, but like at the start, it took time to merge with friends. But now it's like pressure is there, but also there is fun while hanging out with friends. Like pressure merge with friends. It is like that.
Okay, so how was your journey? Like, can you please tell me the process you started from the first day you thought of choosing Georgia? Can you explain to us? Then, your friends will be knowing because
Yeah.
they are actually very much curious about how the process, how much time it takes, how maybe we are sometimes late or what. So, can you please tell me about every details what you had experienced?
Actually, when NEET came, my parents like were choosing different stream for us.
Yes.
For Renita, they were like they started repeating. She started repeating for 2 months, and for me they choose dental and other streams also. Then after sometimes we came into a decision we are going to study in foreign. At the time, my father researched many other consultancies. After we came into this ISA, because the ISA, when we first made an interview with them, the first interview itself they gave a clear cut out like this is the first step that you're gonna take, and this much is the amount you're gonna pay for this step. And first interview they introduced people to us, and of course you see Payali ma'am. She was the first one I met. My father. So we whoever we met on the interview, we meet them till now. So we found that more trustable because the other than the other ones who actually we did not meet. We only spoke through calls.
And how much time did all the process take place?
We almost completed the process in 2 months, including the visa process. Actually, we had a minor delay, but then immediately when we spoke to Pyali ma'am, she arranged it within like 2 days. So almost like every process together took 2 months for us.
So I just want to clear one more thing. This happened because Renita and Benita's father, Antojon sir, he paid everything on time. So it is only upon the students' parents who will be actually thinking of, they are sending their child to other country. It should be on time because their parents was on the mark, on the time, everything, the money, everything, whatever we were asking, they were giving, setting it on the time. That's why they're here by the time, right? They were on the time. So his father, it's very great. Why they are on the time? Because their father arranged money, gave every documents, every money on the time. Okay. Yes, I'll just So my next question is to both of you. Once you came, you with your parents. They came with their parents, so I think it was a new experience.
Yeah.
It was basically like a
Yeah.
mini family trip. My
Yeah.
whole family was here.
So did they like?
Yeah, of course. Like the first thing we entered Georgia, the first thing we felt was a temperature difference. It was not too harsh for us also, and it was manageable. Then like it was quite warm and it was quite cold. We don't feel sweat here actually.
Yeah. And I know her sister is also there, who's actually, she's trying in India. She's a brilliant girl, and one they're brilliant too, but
Yeah.
they actually always talk about their sister.
Yeah.
So there was a great time, right?
Yeah,
So
sure.
what problems you faced? Because we are going to talk everything straight, okay? If there is any pros or if there is any cons, we'll talk about straight. So what problems did you face?
First thing we faced was like everyone comment we missed our family initially when they left us, but then we eventually overcome it when we have a set of friends. Just like when you're in a home, your home problem becomes much better.
Actually-
and when you go outside, you forget your home problems, something like
Actually, we came here 1 week, I think, late because the classes started 1 week before. So already the students started setting up gangs from themselves. So it took us time to join in a particular gang. People started accepting us, but it took just 1 week. After that, we got notes and study. It was initially tough to catch up with the ongoing syllabus because we do have backlogs because of the 1 week delay. But after that, once we
managed.
catched
Yeah.
up, it was like normal days,
Managed.
normal.
that. Yeah.
Okay, so one more question. Genuine review. Did you like the university?
Yeah, the teachers, especially like the biochem teachers, they were two teachers. They know that we are not with our family. We are like new to the culture. We are new to the educational system. It's not like the one in India. It's a little bit less stress, and they know our differences. So they actually help us through it. The language barrier, like when I had a problem trying to communicate with one of the personnel there, then one of my teachers was the first one to step and help me with the language
Do you
barrier.
feel any biasness with Georgians and Indians? No, right?
No, no.
Okay. So this was actually people think that is there any biasness or not, and you're habituated with the ambience now, right?
Yeah, the ambience is like we don't feel much difference about the ambience because the people around here, they don't treat you differently. They when you ask for help, like example, there is a shop nearby our hostel. I go there and I ask them for give me one bread, and they taught me how to ask it in Georgian. Like they try to be as helpful as possible here.
So do you think they're rude? They're something like that? Georgian people.
No, no.
So they're good, right?
Yeah, they're the
They're
most
helpful.
kind people I have met.
Their voices sometimes it may be high, but they mean to
Yeah.
say good things only. They say good things, but high pitch voice is there. High pitch.
High pitch voice.
So it's like
They're,
difficult
shouting at you.
shouting, but it's not. They are not shouting.
One
but they're
thing-
trying.